database user in MySQL WorkBench. So we have MySQL WorkBench open. Let's go ahead and log in as our root user. I'll just double click the root user here. I'll enter the password. This is the same password that you entered when you install the database. Okay, great. So now we're logged in. You should see schemas initially. Now, in order to create a user, you can click on the Management tab here. And this will give you a list of management options. The third option down here is User and Privileges. This will allow you to create a new user for the database. So I'll select that option. Now what I can do is actually add an account. So down in the center of the screen, there's a button at the bottom called Add Account. All right, now for login name, you'll enter the name of student. For limit localhost matching, you'll enter localhost. And then for the password, you'll type in student. And then you'll click on the Administrative Roles tab. Make sure that you have DBA clicked to make sure that the user has all privileges. And this is basically a test user or a student user, so we're just going to give them full access for that. Go ahead and click on Apply. And now we should have a new user that was just created called student. And they can only access this from localhost. So this is very good for right now. Now let's go and verify that we actually can log in with this student in the MySQL WorkBench. So I'll close that item there. I'll click on this little plus icon here for MySQL Connections. This will allow us to create a new connection. So the connection name, I'll give a student. And then for the username, I'll say student. And then I'll click on the option here at the bottom for testing the connection. And I'll enter the password of student. And I'll click OK. And it should give me a success screen, just like we have here. So we're in good books. We have our user created, and we can log in with that user. So let's go ahead and log in with that user. I'll hit OK. Now I have a new connection here. I can double click this connection, and this will log me in as a student. Great. So now we can confirm that we have a new user created called student, and we can log in with that student in the MySQL WorkBench. Good job.